Welcome to Lab Number 1, Introduction to Anatomical Terms. In this lab, we'll establish the precise vocabulary needed to describe the human body, its regions and cavities, and the organization of organ systems.
By the end of lab, you will be able to describe anatomical position, apply directional and regional terms, identify major body cavities and membrane, name anatomical planes of section, and identify major organs and organ systems.
Anatomical position is our universal reference frame. In this position, the body stands erect, feet are parallel and facing forward, the arms are to the side with the palms facing forward and the thumbs pointing away from the body.
We will use this common reference frame when describing the position of various parts of the body. For example, we will describe a structure as superior or lateral to another, using this consistent orientation.
Directional terms are used to describe the location of structures relative to anatomical position. Key pairs include anterior versus posterior, superior versus inferior, medial versus lateral, proximal versus distal, and superficial versus deep.
For example, we describe the heart as being medial to the lungs, the elbow is distal to the shoulder, the head is superior to the abdomen. You will get more practice using directional terms to describe the location of structures in the body during lab.
Regional terms are used to make descriptions of body parts as specific as possible and helps reduce the potential for errors in communication. For example, instead of referring to the arm, we can refer to specific parts such as the brachial region or the antebrachial region.
The body is divided into cavities that protect and compartmentalize organs. Major divisions include dorsal cavity and ventral cavities. Within these cavities are smaller ones. For example, the dorsal cavity contains the cranial and spinal cavities, whereas the ventral cavity contains the thoracic and abdominopelvic cavities. During lab, you will practice identifying these cavities and the organs they contain.
Planes of section describe how we slice the body. Planes of section are used to obtain different views of the internal structure of an organ or a body cavity. The commonly used planes of section include sagittal, frontal, and transverse planes.
In this last activity, you will apply these anatomical terms to a guided dissection of a rat specimen. The goal of this dissection is to identify major organs, articulate their primary functions, and understand how they fit into each system.
During your dissection, you will work to identify various organs, including the heart, lungs, stomach, liver, pancreas, intestines, kidneys, urinary bladder, and reproductive organs. As you complete your dissection, take note of the structure of each organ and think about how it relates to its function.
You've now built a foundation in anatomical position, directional and regional terms, body cavities, planes of section, and the framework of organ systems.
In your lab activities, you will practice applying these terms to diagrams, models, and actual specimens. To finish getting ready for lab, read through the lab in your manual. Do not fill anything in yet. That will happen during lab. Once you have read through the lab, take the short pre-quiz to assess your preparedness. To receive credit, the pre-quiz must be completed prior to your scheduled lab. Come to lab prepared and ready to learn.
See you in lab.